Hello, what's up everyone? Do you want to change your text color in ChatGPT app? Then this video is for you. Let's start. Open your ChatGPT app. Just swipe from left to right and go to your profile at the top corner of right side, and then scroll it down and you can see accent color. Click on it and choose which color you want to apply. I want to apply blue. Yes, you can see the accent color has been changed to blue, and if you type then your color has been changed to blue. You can see in you text. So in this way you can simply change your text box color in ChatGPT app. So hope this video will help you, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you everyone and take care.